Alright, we're back. My dowel pin go, I lost it. There it is. Zip it right to there, looks nice. Height is good. Fit is good. That's definitely going to be a pound in fit there. Tap, tap, tap. Okay. So, I need to go down, do that side. Alright, looks like this one's going to go in, so let's see how bad it's going to be. Hopefully not too bad. I don't want to beat on this case too awfully hard, so see what happens here. Yeah. Nice plug fit. Looks like it's made for it. How big that sucker is. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go over here and dial in this side over here. Hopefully I didn't knock the trueness of my case out. That'd be a problem if it did. I want to serve this stuff too if I can avoid it. Problem. Yep, I didn't want to have to take that cutter out, but can't do it with it in there. Oh well, gotta come out. My machine usually repeats pretty close, so we'll just have to go with it. Got no choice. Ooh, that's not good. Oh, that's cold. Alright. It's definitely going to change, that's a call it. Oh well. The height will change. We'll reset the height. Okay. Turn the noise off. Okay. Let's see if we can figure out how much we screwed up everything over here. How you do it, it changes a little bit. Where's my tool at? Crack that in there just a little bit. Dark. Oh, see now. High zero. A little bit of this way here. It varies. It twitches about a half a thou. We got maybe 1 thou max total reading, but it's more like half a thou. It varies in where you're at, so pretty much half a thou. Between half to 1. Oh well, here's what it is. It's not enough to really make a big difference. Of course, we like everything being perfect, but oh well, it is what it is. Actually, pretty close to a hole. Just over. Go down. Away. Okay, there, about there. The hole's out around. What a shocker! It's hard to believe there's an out around hole on a Harley Davidson. Okay, we'll go down a little deeper, maybe get a better hole maybe. Okay, we're just about 5 that way, and where are we at on this one? 10, huh? Split the difference. Not that way, dummy. Okay, about in the middle of the screen, Put this one about the middle there too. And over here we have what? A little bit high on that side, 10. Okay, zero these things out. Get a little closer. 7. About 8. 7.5 there. 7.5 there. 7.5 there. See, it's pretty even. 7.5, 7.5, 7.5, 7.5, 8. One spot. It goes back to 7.5, kind of. Okay, so why? We need to put a couple tenths onto that number. The other way, negative tenths. Negative tenths. Okay. Reset our scale where I can see it. Top of the 0. And over here, yeah, it looks like we're about top of the 0. Top of the 0. And the lower part of the 0. Yeah, 10th off that way. Okay, I like that 3. That was good. We need to go 1/10 this way here. That was 2. 2 is too much. We want +1. +1. +1. Yeah, that one. Top of 0. Top of 0. Damn, right there it drops. Top of 0. Right there, she drops a little bit. Make that 2. Make that 2. Not 4, 2. Two. It still drops that one spot right there. Everything else looks good though. Alright, we're going to leave it at that number. 2/10 centerline dimension change. Doesn't change much. It's whole location. It only changes center 1/10. Half of whatever your reading difference is. Not much. Okay. That's set. Put our cutter back in. Readjust the height. Okay. Okay. What was our number we used? We went to 37.5 is our number. But that'll change on the next one, but no more than 37.5. That'll be a good starting point. Yeah. Go more. Okay. I'll do this one a little differently. Set our 0. This is 10 thou thick. Touch off right there. touching. Okay. Check. So we're doing is seeing where the cutter is touching the feeler gauge here. So we're at 80 right now. You go down until it just starts to lift up the blade. It's lifting it right there. Yeah, it's lifting it right there, see? If I go down one more thou, see how it's lifting? One thou. Okay, so the blade's 10 thou, so we go to 0. 0 is 0 right up against the cover, right against that edge there. We can go 0 to 5 without a problem. Alright, that's how you check that. Alright, I'll be back.